Hey everyone, welcome to Fat Guy Tries. I'm the Fat Guy, and today I've got a special little bonus video for you. As always, we're doing our Blizzard of the Month review, and this will not count towards our stocking stuffer series, where I bring to you one of each video throughout the month of December. This does not count towards the Fat Guy Tries portion of it. This is kind of like, let's say you're Santa Claus, and I'm a precocious little child who leaves you milk and cookies, and I also leave you a nice little mint for afterward. Well, speaking of mints, for this month's Blizzard, we got the Candy Cane Chill Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Their little festive take. I believe they do this every December. I'm going to go ahead and give you a little peek at it. You can see we've got some peppermint elements in it, obviously the little red chips, and we got some Choco chunks as well, which is always welcome in my Blizzards. So I'm just kind of looking at this, and I like candy canes, I like Blizzards, and I love to chill, so why not try the Candy Cane Chill Blizzard right now? Let's go ahead and take our first spoonful. Make sure we get some chocolate and some peppermint candy cane in this bite. So let's go ahead and try it. Oh. There you go. Yep. Yes, sir. Gotta get another bite of that. It's so pleasing to the palate because it's vanilla ice cream, but it's like anytime you take a bite of it or put some in your mouth, it's like right away you taste that peppermint. It's just such a cooling sensation, especially being that it's ice cream, that it's mixed into. The Choco chunks add that kind of sweet chocolate flavor to it. It's I think a lot of Minnesotans kind of overuse the word rich when it comes to food, but it does add like a rich layer to it that you're not necessarily getting with just the peppermint and the ice cream. So I'm sorry, I gotta take one more bite. Yeah, it's like a little kid on Christmas. I just can't get enough. I bit my tongue. That's not good. But you know what is good? This Blizzard of the Month. I'm sorry, it hurts so much. I bit like right into it. I don't know if it's because my mouth was a little numb, or if because I was just chewing with such reckless abandon. I don't think I'm bleeding from my tongue. I don't think I split it. It just hurts. But that's a thumbs down that I bit my tongue. Candy Cane Chill Blizzard, on the other hand, from Dairy Queen, that's a thumbs up. They do this flavor, I think, like every year in December, because obviously it's Christmas. You gotta get that candy cane flair into it. It really fits with the holiday season, but I never had it before, and I gotta say, this is my first time trying it. And I quite like it. I like it a lot. The one thing I don't like about candy canes is like when you kind of get those little candy cane shards stuck in in between your teeth, like in your mouth. I'm not really detecting any of that right now, so I gotta say I'm just satisfied all around with the Peppermint Chill Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Candy Cane Chill Blizzard, pardon me. Big difference. But yeah, that's going to do it for this month's Blizzard of the Month review, and we got plenty more videos this month. This is just a drop in the bucket of what you can expect to see here on Fat Guy Does Things for the Stocking Stuffer series, December 2021. One video from each series that we've done on this channel. I think you're really going to like it. My tongue still hurts a little bit, but you know, it's kind of offset by how excited I am for this month. So I hope you're excited too. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go out and try the Candy Cane Chill Blizzard if you get a chance. I know December is not really the ideal month for ice cream for most people, but you know, give it a chance, give it a try. I think you'll really like it. So that's going to do it for me, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.